Hello, we are here in Grand Mall, first floor, and you will see the Carrefour. And the other side is the hospital. There are a lot of changes now. And the other side is Avenue Mall, where Lulu is located. Now this road is uh, going to Gubra, going to Sib, like that. And the other side is going to Alquer and Coro. So come here and enjoy the beauty of Oman. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.